Hi, welcome to Anima's channel. I'm Royi BenYossef. I'm going to walk you through what Anima can do, starting with importing a Figma design into a website and then altering it with vibe coding. Stay tuned. To get things started, we choose a Figma design, any design. We choose the part of it that we want to import. We control copy and control paste in dev.animaapp.com and we import it, and it writes the code with the Figma design. Because it takes a bit too long, I did it for you, and here you go. Let's start with something cool. You see these logos here? I want them to move like a carousel, like most VCs have for their portfolio. So in the text, I write where the logos are for Google, Amazon, etc. Make it a moving carousel and go. See a bunch of stuff. Certainly, I'll modify the client logos section, and it generates a bunch of code and using CSS and a bunch of other stuff that I'm not familiar with. Look at that. It's moving. Fun. Now let's try and replace the mobile logo on the right here with the logo of the fictitious VC fund. So I'm putting in the text, change the image of the phone on the right with tab capital logo. It says now we need to make sure that Tab Capital logo image is available on the project. Oh, it's actually helping me. That's amazing. Let's see how we do that. It's actually simpler than it looks. We open up and we look for the image that we want, that I created in Gemini, by the way. And then we say host the attached file as Tab Capital logo. And we see what happens. Certainly, I'll host the attached TBD capital logo image. Oh, look at that. It changed the image. What an eventful first day. We showed how easy it is to import a design from Figma, alter it, change images, and even host new images on the website. Let's see what happens on the next episode, shall we? If you have any comments, questions, or requests, please let me know.